welcome to my channel Avdhi Choka. So today's video is in English. So my Hindi viewers should not get disappointed because I'll keep posting my recipes in Hindi only, okay? So let me give you some context for today's video because this video will be a food product review. I am actually very much fascinated with the Marwadi food from my childhood days because many of my friends were Marwadis only. So a few days back I was going through Facebook and I landed upon a page named as Marwadi Foods by Chanchal Bhani Ravka. So I queried with them and I ordered half kg laddus, and when I received it within half an hour I finished it. Not me, my whole family finished it within half an hour. So I thought, why not share with you all so that you can get benefited. So let's get started. Okay, so here this is the laddu dabba. So let me unbox it for you. So you can see this transparent window is given. Many of the other people, they don't give this transparent window, so you can't see the content inside. So in half kg laddus you can see 9 laddus come, and the size of these laddus, it's very big, and packaging also you can see it's in the what you say, cardboard dabba. So dabba is very nicely packed, fully professional, and very minimal information is given here. Name of the brand and homemade, and the number is given so that you can directly contact with them. So it's very nice, standard, decent, hygienic packaging, I would say. So you should transfer it into some airtight container immediately after you open it, because the shelf life of these laddus are mostly 20 to 30 days. So it will be good if you transfer it within into some airtight container immediately after you open it. So the other things what I have ordered is this one. This is matri. So here also I see this, the brand name is given, homemade, and the number of the owner is given, and this is matri. Here also you can see the content inside, and this is ziplocked, I think. See, it is ziplocked, you can open it. This also you should transfer into airtight container. See, these are the matris. So it looks very crispy it is, and it is made of oil. I think it's fried in oil, but still you can't see the, it doesn't stick to your hands. So that way it's very good, very light and crispy. So this one is there, and the other one what I have ordered is this chiuda. Packaging you can see it's not plastic. A very thin layer of plastic is there, but it is wrapped in paper only, so that way it's hygienic. So here also this chiuda, you can see it is fried in oil, but it is very light, very crispy. See, you can see it's very crispy, and the taste, let me taste it once. Wow, the taste is awesome, you know. So this is matri. I have yet not tasted it, just wanted to show you how it is. Very authentic taste it is. Laddu I have already tasted. I'll tell you, it's out of the world. It's awesome, very authentic, homely Marwadi food it is. So you should order it right now. Okay, so let me tell you from where you can order it. You can order it through Facebook page or Instagram, or also they have some their own website. So I'll give all those things, all the links into the description box. And also I queried with them, they are soon entering into Zomato and Amazon also. So you can order, I think within 1 month you can order it from Amazon and Zomato also. Other thing is pricing. So pricing, these laddus are 1200 rupees per kg, and this matri and chiuda, that is 900 per kg. So you may feel that it is on the higher side, But believe me guys, once you will taste it, you will not feel it like that, because you won't regret it, only because it's so worth that taste you will not get everywhere. Okay, so just for my sake, if you can trust me, you should order it, and then you will not forget it. You will order it again and again. I am telling you guys. Okay, so I forgot to mention that the laddus were made of wheat flour, edible gum, and nuts. That is atta meva gond ka laddu. So you can go for it. You should not think about the price twice, because these days health is the most important thing. And you can take my guarantee, because I loved it, my whole family loved it, and you will also love it. So let me know through comments how was my discovery. See you soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.